Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your file in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your file in Microsoft Word. So let's try to use this as a sample document. So how to save this file or document? So first, click the File tab or option on the upper left corner of your screen. And then this is how it looks like once you click the File option. And then you can simply click the Save and you'll be routed under Save As. So for you to successfully save this document or file, you need to click the Browse, and that way you can select a specific file where you will save the document. Let's try to click and save on this folder. So don't forget to add a file name, sample, and then save as type. Just stay it as is, which is Word document. But if you like to change it into other type of document, then you can do that as well. Just select it here, and then right after, click Save. And you can check it here. It is already saved to this PC. And there, that's how you save a file in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.